Woo! Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals come to you live from Asia, guys. From Asia. I'm here in Asia, guys. It's a great time to be live, and we're seeing that most of the crypto markets are down, down. So we're going to be talking about that. Why are the crypto markets down? Also, it looks like the FOMC meeting has been completed, and looks like there was a bit of a division in terms of what's going to happen. So we're going to be talking about that as well. Also, what is Elon Musk talking about when it comes to cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, and EU? What you should do out there. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's absolutely not. Never could be. Never would be. I'm just an OG in the house. Express my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So if you've been watching my show for more than a minute, you should know that by now. You should absolutely know that by now. So, what's been going on? We're seeing that basically most of the cryptocurrencies are down right now. You can see here that most of the cryptocurrencies are down. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down right now significantly. It's down about 3.31%. I'm going to be talking about why it's down, what we're going to see in the short term, what we're going to see in the long term. We're seeing that Ethereum is down as well. It's down 2.94%. Stable coins are stable, so they're not moving, of course. We're seeing BNB is down as well. We're seeing as well the Doge. The Doge right now, guys, let's just zoom in on the Doge. The Doge right now is down 2.83%. 2.83%. Our total market cap right now is 9.8 billion. And the volumes are still pretty light, though. We're seeing some light volumes, about $101 million worth of volume out there. So light volume. But luckily, we are seeing that the Dogecoin price is still above 7 cents. So that is good, because 7 cents is a key area of support. And then we need to stay above that area, because if Dogecoin does break down below the 0.7 cent support level, it's going to be bad for the Doge. It's going to be bad for the community. ADA right now, time recording, ADA, hopefully you guys can zoom in on that. ADA is down 1.65%. It's not doing as bad as BTC, down 3.3%. So that is good overall, but still we're at 36%. We're seeing Matic out there is down as well at 87 cents. We're seeing DOT, Litecoin as well. SHIB is also down 4%. And it is well below the 9 cent. Then this is, 0.9. There's a whole bunch of zeros and 9 out there. The Pepe coin. What can I say about a Pepe coin? Is it done for Pep? Is it over? Well, I don't say it's over, but I'm shaking the camera. But you guys know that what's happening is basically Pepe is now following most of the meme coin trajectories. And that means, you had your top low off top, and now you're just kind of descending down and down. Similar to what Doge has been doing for, like over a year and a half, feels like forever, eternity. But, we do have these on the monthly chart. We do have these wedges, and these descending wedges. We have two of them. And as we get to the top of these descending wedges on the monthly, that often is pretty indicative of, we can make a move to the upside. So what is going on with cryptocurrency? Why is cryptocurrency in the toilet? It's in the toilet. It's a stinker. It's a bad one out there. So why is cryptocurrency in the toilet? Well, it's because, the UK inflation is insane. It came in much higher than expected. That had a negative impact on the Asian markets. That drove down most of the cryptocurrencies, drove down the stocks as well. And we're still suffering from that. We're still continuing to downslide. A lot of people are very not confident about what's going to be happening for the European region in terms of inflation. They could be seeing worsening inflation. UK, it's a disaster out there. U.S. inflation, wow, FOMC meeting. It looks like the FOMC had their meeting, came out with their meeting minutes, and believe it or not, that the FOMC team over there, they're undivided. 50% are saying raise the rates. The other 50% are saying not. So it looks like, the outcome is that they are in fact going to be raising the rates again. 0.25 basis points. So 25 basis points is what's going to be happening. That is not good. That's absolutely not a good look out there. And that is also why we're seeing crypto markets tanking. Tank. Out of there. Broader markets tanked. Out of there. So we're seeing overall, it's a complete SHIT show out there. Are we going to continue to go down? Well, Bitcoin is at 26,356 right now. How low could we go? We could tap down on 25,000. I think that's a good bottom. Will Bitcoin go up? Yes. Long term, it's always going to go up. You know, guys know that if you've been watching for more than a minute. But we're going to see some short-term volatility. Definitely some short-term volatility-ness out there. It is what it is, boys and girls. Welcome to crypto. Remember, volatility is the price of admission. And if you're not willing to, put up with volatility, then you better get out of crypto. Go watch paint dry. Go watch, water freeze over or something. But volatility is the price of admission. And overall, what can you do? What is a good strategy? Or strategy that I like to use, that is dollar cost average. Set a weekly time frame when you buy. I buy every Thursday. Doesn't matter what the price of Bitcoin is. I buy. And if you had bought dollar cost average since the tops of Bitcoin, or just over $69,000, you would absolutely be in the money right now. Unbelievable, huh? Dollar cost average does work. It is absolutely a very, very good tool in terms of preserving life-changing wealth, and also generating a life-changing wealth, or as some people like to call it, wife-changing wealth out there. So, maybe you can afford to change your wife out there. Who knows? Maybe some want, maybe some don't. It depends on the time of day. Depends on how you feel out there. So, guys, look where I am. I'm in beautiful, beautiful Da Nang, guys. I'm in beautiful Da Nang. We've got the beach over there. We've got the mountains. We've got more ocean over there. We've got the port over there. It's a beautiful day out there. It's lovely jubbly. It's absolutely lovely, lovely jubbly out there. Let me see if we can zoom in out there, tighten up on the beach. So there's the beach, guys, over there. It's lovely jubbly, guys. It is absolutely lovely jubbly day out there. So Elon Musk, what is going on with Elon Musk out there? What has Elon Musk been talking about? So Elon Musk recently had this interview, and people have been blasting it out. And some kind of turned this interview into like a negative FUD piece against Dogecoin and crypto. Now, let me just set the record straight. In the interview and subsequent articles that had come out, Elon Musk did not diss on the Doge. Elon Musk did not diss on crypto. What Elon Musk did, and what he said, is he said, do not invest everything you have in crypto, okay? Don't do that. That's dumb. If you invest everything in crypto, that's not good. Remember, when it comes to cryptocurrency, you only want to invest what you're willing to lose. And the reason I say that is because cryptocurrency is volatile. It's extremely volatile. So you want to, you definitely want to have diversification, right? It's key. Real estate, some stocks, fiat, cryptocurrency. So, from my perspective, my investment portfolio is about 50% real estate, 50% crypto, and fiat. I don't know how much cash I have. I got a lot. I just don't know. But you definitely want to be doing that. A great rule of thumb is don't have debt. Don't have credit card debt. Don't use credit cards. And if you do use it, pay off the balance at the end of the month. Then 100%. Then you don't get any. You don't get dinged with interest payments. Never make the minimum payment. Pay off the whole balance. That's what I do. Absolutely what I do. Banks hate me because I can borrow tons of money from the banks, pay it off at the end of the month, and I thank you very much for giving me credit for a month. So guys, credit card debt is a no-no. Never live beyond your means. It's bad. It is bad freaking news out there. A lot of people doing that, and they get into this. They become this like debt slave. Don't do that. Absolutely don't do that. Never invest more than you're willing to use. Never live beyond your means. Don't use credit. Never live off credit out there. Don't do that. Yeah, sure. Some of you, you're gonna have to borrow money from the bank to buy a house. I get it. Some don't. Some do. Some pay cash, like the OG out there. My brother, I owe no money. I absolutely owe no money nowhere. I have zero freaking debt, zero. And it's a great place to be in because it gives you freedom. Absolutely gives you freedom to do what you want. You're not always worrying about not having money, and gives you freedom to be more creative, more inspirational, and it also gives you freedom to help other people that need help out there. So that's what that's all about. That's so important out there from my perspective. So that's gonna bring this video to a close, guys. So invest wisely, be wise, do your research. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.